Hello everyone. I'm filling out my shop with some tools that I need, and so I thought I'd let you guys enjoy me doing an unboxing video. This is a Craftsman 8-tool combo kit. Comes with impact driver, a drill driver, a reciprocating saw, LED task light, circular saw, oscillating tool, jigsaw, and an orbital sander. Comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a bag. Let's see what we got here. Okay, start off. It's well made. They must have some kind of inserts you can insert into this thing because they're snaps. There's promise for that. Most tool bags I've gotten out of their kits, they become just like this hoard of junk in the bottom of them. Reciprocating saw blades, or one blade for the jigsaw, some bits for the drills, and a circular saw blade. It does appear to have hardened tips on it. Lots of manuals. Work light, adjustable. The trigger, okay. Pretty lightweight without the battery. Oscillating tool. Ooh, that's got some weight to it. So far, everything seemed well made. This will come in handy when I'm out in the yard cutting some tree branches. Wow. Again, feels well made. We'll see when I actually use it. I will be doing reviews on each item as I actually use them. This looks like a dust collection bag for sander. This goes to the sander. It looks like, oh, this might be more just sander. Oscillating tool blades, 2. Assorted pads for the sander. I guess that you can put that on the oscillating tool as well. That's kind of cool. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, there's the pad, the disc for the orbital sander. Looks like actually gave me 3 different grits. That's nice. We'll see how well those last on some metal or some stone. Wow, that's got a lot more weight than I thought it would. Cool. Looks like the battery came loose in shipping. The charger anyway. Wasn't in its slot. Here's the Craftsman one. Let's see how it compares in size to the Ryobi that I've got. Well, I think they're about roughly the same size, but I think the Ryobi is actually a little bigger. Orbital palm sander. Put that collection bag. Oh wait. Put that collection bag on this too. I bet it would hook to a shop vac as well. Impact driver. Wow, that's lighter than the Ryobi one I got. That sounds like something's rattling. I hope that's not a problem. Damaged on the box here. And that's way down at the bottom. Wow. No damage to the battery itself. This will be the other one. And that's the end of the box. I'll give that to the resident cat. Two batteries. Skill saw. Collection bag, which fit on that. The orbital sander. And the circular saw. Impact driver. Screwdriver. Skill saw, or reciprocating saw. Oscillating tool. Work light. Attachments for the oscillating tool. One battery charger. I have a little problem with that. Why can't it be a dual battery charger? 3 different grip pads for the sanding tool. 1 blade. This one's interchangeable. It's got a flat blade and a Phillips head. This one is just a Phillips head. And like I said, I will be doing reviews on these tools as I use them. I have not used Craftsman tools in years. I was a big fan of Ryobi, but this was a pretty good deal. I will post the price in the description. I bought it at Lowe's. You all have a good night. And of course, like, subscribe, and please turn on notifications. I will be doing more unboxings this weekend, as I've got other tools that I have gotten. I'd love to share them with you, because I am forming out my shop, and there are lots more videos. I have a fantastic build coming up I think you all are going to enjoy.